Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have CHZ Chiliz daily update. Join our monthly subscription, guys. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / MindYourCrypto. You get automated signal alerts, personal guidance, and of course you take surely profits, and you can join our Telegram group chat where we discuss more and more about the crypto space. We have members that help each other every day. Let's go now to the Fibonacci extension. Starting from this bottom, ending up to this top right here, 26th May, and to this bottom, 8th June. The reason is we want to find major resistance levels. Maybe we wanted to find support levels as well, because these levels here, guys, don't work exactly only as resistance levels, but sometimes they work as support levels. So the one line here that it is not in the Fibonacci extension, and it is very crucial to surpass, is the 37 to 38 cents. Around this area, guys, if we surpass this resistance level, we are going towards the 48 cents. We will discuss that a bit later. Right now, let's go to the 4-hour frame MACD. It looks good. However, we need to surpass the resistance line right here. Once we go above this line, then we are set to go even higher. But for now, we might find a bit of a resistance here and go downwards. We don't want to go beyond this higher low pattern we have formed, because if we go beyond here, then we will lose the higher low pattern and eventually start to form lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so for now we are going to CHZ, Tether USD in the RSI and the commodity channel index. You can see that we are not in an overbought situation, not in an overbought situation for the commodity channel index too. Therefore, we can go into an overbought situation and go further above in the 4-hour frame. According to the SSL channel, guys, this indicator here, the green line is above the red line. So we are still having a buying opportunity. However, you should be careful for a while. Now I will explain why later. Let's go to the daily frame, guys, quickly. You can see in a normal market, when we are extending the top line here, guys, of the Bollinger bands, when we are above the top line of the Bollinger bands, we usually have a selling opportunity and we have a very high risk. In a normal market, we are having a very high risk, except we are having an impulsive wave where we are going near the top line of the Bollinger bands and we don't care. But if we are going to have an impulsive wave, this will be massive. For now, we are having a very high risk. You can see it on the daily commodity channel index as well. We are in an extremely overbought situation here, so we might correct further down, and we don't want to correct further than this bottom right here for the commodity channel index. For the RSI, we are looking good. We are having some higher low pattern. We are inside 30 and 70. 30 is the bottom, 70 is the top. We are between 30 and 70, guys, and we are looking good. For now, we don't have any risk, but for the commodity channel index we have. That's why RSI might correct here and might go a little bit further down on the daily frame. On the daily frame, the MACD looks good. However, what I want to see now is to go above this area right here or above this resistance level, so we can make sure we are going to 48 cents soon. Let's go now to, before we go, guys, I forgot something, the SSL hybrid. The SSL hybrid, of course, how could I forget this indicator? We had a buying opportunity right here. You can see the blue arrow, and now we don't have a selling opportunity yet. However, this indicator is good sometimes, guys. It is very good, right? It's very good on whether to go in or not. But on the selling part, when you have to short out, it is not so great. That's why you have to decide by yourself if you are going to have a swing trade and to sell here. But in overall, guys, I suggest you to have it. It is very good indicator. Let's go to CHZ Bitcoin. You can see we are having lower highs and higher lows. For CHZ, guys, in the Bitcoin chart, we have lower highs, but on the CHZ Tether USD, you can see we have higher highs. You can see that we are doing fine. Eventually, we start to outperform Bitcoin again, then we might see a momentum going upwards. So for the next few days, we are having a squeeze point where we might go upwards or downwards. What we hope for is to go upwards as well on the 4-hour frame, guys, for Chiliz Bitcoin chart. Now we are approaching an overbought situation. We are not in an overbought situation yet, because you can see the commodity channel index line. It is going above 100. It is not yet though, so we should be careful a little bit, but I think in overall we might correct for the next few hours and we might go there and of course bounce between the top trend line and the bottom trend line for CHZ Bitcoin chart. You can see the MACD is good, but we need to surpass this resistance level right here at this point, and then we are absolutely fine. We don't want to go further below. If we correct and have a bearish cross, we don't want to go further below this line right here, the blue line. So let's go and see Chiliz Bitcoin guys chart. You can see that we had a bearish cross between the 20-day exponential moving average and the 50-day MA. Now we want to see a bullish recross here. We might actually get there, guys. It's very, very good. It's very, very cool. But on the other hand, what we have is a very, very high risk on the commodity channel index. So in the next few hours, guys, we should be careful. I won't stay long here, guys, on the Chiliz Bitcoin chart. What I want to do is to go on the price analysis. And here we are. We might correct a little bit for the next few hours, guys. It will be very, very healthy if we do. Unfortunately, we might go a little bit above and then have a correction. And of course, we might stop at 31.29 cents. We will see about that. But in overall, guys, what are we looking at is our next price targets for CHZ. Eventually, if we surpass the 37 to 38 cents, then we can go surely to the 48 cents, around this area, 48 to 50 cents. And why I'm saying that, guys, is because I have used the Fibonacci extension from this bottom to this top right here, 26th May, and to this bottom 10th June. And why I did that, you need 3 points, right? You need 3 points for your Fibonacci extension, and you have a low, a high, and a low. So you get those price predictions, and you can see that in general, guys, the Fibonacci extension is very, very good because you can see the 2.618. If I extend the line a little bit right here, you can see it was a previous high where we found resistance, and the 3.618, it was our high here on 16 April we formed. Therefore, it looks pretty solid, guys. The Fibonacci extension here might work. If we surpass the 37 cents, I believe we can go eventually to 48 cents, which is our next price target. All that being said will be true if Bitcoin continues its swing high, because you know my position, guys, already. I believe Bitcoin will go to 27,000 Tether USD after having the swing high. Afterwards, we are going there. I believe approaching the 27,000 Tether USD, guys, is inevitable. And I think we will be going there. So you have to be extremely careful. From now on, you have to be extremely careful. But in case Chiliz goes to outperform Bitcoin, in case we have an impulsive wave, we won't care what Bitcoin will do, right? The same happened, guys, with AMP where we saw like 120% action price, guys, and of course we went upwards like 2x while Bitcoin was falling down. If you outperform Bitcoin, you don't care what Bitcoin will do, right? But you need to have an impulsive wave. Therefore, because we are in a normal market right now, we are assuming that for CHZ, we don't have an impulsive wave for now, because we are in a normal market, we are having a high risk, because we approached the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Therefore, guys, for the midterm, please just wait a little bit. Don't invest right now, in my opinion. Do not invest right now. If you want my opinion, just wait a little bit till we correct. And of course, if you want me to daily update, I will. Don't forget, guys, to join our monthly subscription for signal alert buying opportunities. Even on a bearish market, you will make profits, guys, and join our Telegram group chat. Let's continue now to see what is our next targets. 48 to 50, more of a midterm target, guys. 48 to 50 is not a short-term target, of course, and long term, we might be reapproaching the 65 cents. But for now, let's break the 37 cents and we will be happy, because I believe we are actually about to correct a little bit for now, and we are actually ready to go to 29 cents or 31 cents. That is my opinion, guys. Of course, if you have another opinion, you should follow your own. And this is an advice. This is not a financial advice. This is an advice based on my technical analysis skills. And of course, guys, the other thing you should do is, except for having technical skills and improving your TA, another thing you should do is being patient. Patience is the key for success, and of course, having a buying strategy and an exit strategy. You need those in order to succeed in the cryptocurrency market. Discipline, of course, is above all. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.